Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm out here, I've got the Flywoo 1S Baby Nano, and I've got the Nazgul 73mm. These are both 1S FPV quads. It's a beautiful day here in the park, and I'm going to do a flight review and commentary on both of them. These are the two hottest one-cell brushless micro drones on the market right now, I think. And if you've got to choose between the two, maybe this might help you out. This is just going to be like a raw flight experience. It's not like a full review. I do have a full one coming up. But for now, just enjoy the flights and the commentary. So let's get started. First up is going to be the Flywoo Baby Nano. Mine is the version 2. It's got the GNB27 connector. This is the official Flywoo 450 milliamp hour 80C battery. Okay, we're ready to take off and fly. All right, and here we go. We're taking off the little Flywoo Baby Nano. Just do a quick flip. Woo! Okay. Let's do a Matty flip. Woo, well, not quite, but... Woo! All right. Let's do an inverted yaw spin. Whoa, okay. We're gonna zip around this tree here. Alright, so just so you know, I always get some breakup. I always get some breakup flying above that metal structure there. Nice roll. Let's do another flip. Woo! Okay. Coming. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost crashed. So I'm liking how this handles. Pretty smooth, but it's got a smooth tune. So this is the FrSky version, the SPI receiver version, and I get those RF signal low warnings on this guy, unfortunately. But I still get decent range. Mine was shipped with an antenna that had the wrong length, and so then I just kind of cut it so that way it would have the right length. That's kind of why that's doing that.
1 minute.
Got some low wind going on here. Let's do a quick power loopy loop. Woo, nice. Okay, I'm gonna slide in through here. This volleyball thing. Woo, ooh, ooh. Video break up there. Little video break up. Go through this pavilion. Whoa! I literally almost hit myself in the face. Oh my God. That's what happens with these little 1S. You get comfortably because they're so light. They're so nice to fly in a place like this little park here. They're not really going to hurt anybody. Nobody even knows you're flying it, you know? Let's do a little flip there. Let's do a half Matty. Let's do a half Matty flip. That's where you do a woo and bail out like that. Let's try that again. We're gonna do a flip over and then push forward and then bail out going backwards. That's the half Matty. Just go right over this tree.
RF signal low.
Oh, got RF signal low, but it doesn't matter. I still have the full power. Still got full signal here, plenty enough to just buzz around this little park. Flying around this tree here. A little bit of breakup, a little bit of breakup back here. The stupid metal pavilion is blocking me. I'm going to do another roll. So far we've got really nice flight time. Whoop, 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 whoop. Close, a little close.
RF signal critical.
Let's do a right roll this time. I'm really liking this guy.
RF signal
I can't speak to durability or any of that stuff on most of these yet because I kind of just got these. I'll have a more fuller review for you later, but I wanted to do this now, especially right before the holidays. People might be looking at stuff like this, and I have both of them. So, whoa, okay, whoa, woo, okay. All right. I'm getting the low battery flash, but honestly, you can keep going all the way down to 3.3 volts. Should you go down to 3.3 volts? It depends on your tolerance for battery preservation.
Signal, no.
I kind of like just getting as much out of the packs as possible, so I'm less inclined to really care. Woo! Okay, so the battery is a little bit break up there because I'm flying behind myself. You can probably hear the wind, and this thing is just powering through. It's a low battery, but again, it doesn't matter. Look. Let's go up high and then do an inverted yaw. Sweet. Woo, nice save. We'll come back around. Just do some orbiting. Do we want to tree surf? Oh man, I don't know if I should. We're gonna call it at 3.4 because you know why? Because when I throttle up really hard, we're 3.3. So, I'd like to preserve it. Let's preserve our battery life. So this guy flew for about 5 minutes and 32 seconds, and that's on a 450 milliampere hour battery. So let's land. All right, so now we have the little Baby Nazgul. Now this is the newer Nazgul, the 73 millimeter version, I believe it is. It does use a PH 2.0 battery connector, and it's not a solid pin, which is gonna affect it down the line, which is a bit unfortunate. I've got my best 450 milliampere hour battery, so we're trying to use the same kind of battery type to keep things as fair as possible here. All right, so we're gonna fly the little Baby Nazgul now. And we're off with the Nazgul. Taking it gentle in the beginning here, just kind of cruising around. Camera-wise, they both, to me, look great. They both look fantastic camera-wise. Let's see. Ooh, but anyway, let's... Oh, still got that scratchy video transmitter because I'm flying behind myself there. Got this big stupid metal thing here. Let's do a flip. Very smooth, very smooth. This is one of my best 450 milliampere hour batteries with a low resistance. Woo! This has got some pep, it's got some punch. Let's do an inverted yaw spin. Very smooth inverted yaw. Let's try that again. Very smooth, very smooth. Let's do let's try to do a Matty flip, hopefully. Well, actually, let's do a, we're doing Matty flip. Yeah, actually, let's do a Matty flip, fuck it. Oh, nice. Ooh, a little rough there, a little wash. Might have been just my own throttle control. Maybe not. Let's try this again. Oh, I'm down. Well, maybe not. Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta go grab this thing. It's low. Oh, man. Do another Matty. Oh, I'm trying. Oh, we're already getting the low battery signal for this battery. That's a shame. Okay. I'm gonna do, because we didn't get that long on that battery, I'm gonna throw another battery on there so we can kind of fly both of these for an equal amount of time. Another fully charged battery here. I do love the handling on the Nazgul, I gotta tell you. Handling is freaking awesome. I mean, this thing is moving. Camera looks good. It feels smooth.
2 minutes.
Let's do the half, Maddie. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. There we go. There was a nice half, Maddie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's roll to the right. Roll to the left. I tell you what, we've got better. I think we have better range on this dude with the Flywoo, because I'm flying all the way out here and I'm not getting any telemetry warnings. Let's go back here, even though our video is going to go to crap.
RF signal low.
I don't want to hit one of the trees, but yeah, I think I'm getting much better range-wise. That's probably just because Flywoo cut the antenna correctly. Let's do a dive. Woo! Oh, I had some voltage sag there. Can I blame the voltage sag? Is it okay to blame the voltage sag? I'm gonna go and I gotta go get it now, because we still have battery life. Well, guys, I really do think that the Flywoo wins the battery life war. That's for sure. I would have loved to compare two different kinds of batteries, but I tell you what, the Nazgul to me feels so well tuned. Besides the voltage sag that I'm getting from this connector, the Nazgul feels so well tuned. And look at all this wind, right? I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it to the brink. Oh, I wanted to hit the gap. I can't. I don't have the guts to do it. He goes, all right, let's do the picnic table gap then. All right, how's that? There you go. I did the picnic table gap. Is that good enough? Whew, we're clocking it at a rough 4 minutes on fly minutes. On this flight. All right, so what's the flash take? Which one should you get? Should you buy the Flywoo Baby Nano 1S, or should you get the iFlight? Should you get the iFlight Nazgul, the Baby Nazgul? And you guys are gonna hate me for saying this, but this is a tough decision. This is actually a tougher decision than I thought it would be. The Nazgul has a great tune. I feel like the Nazgul has an excellent tune, actually. Better than the Flywoo. But yet, the battery voltage situation on it was not great. I'm gonna have to very narrowly at the moment, just based on the flight time. We're not talking durability or the tune, although the tune is still quite good. I'm gonna have to pick the Flywoo. I do want to clarify that I bought the Flywoo myself, and the iFlight was sent to me. So I'm actually not shilling for what I'm supposed to be shilling for. That's a joke. Okay, but no, seriously. Yeah, I would actually prefer the Flywoo right now, and I think that's just because of the connector. You know, maybe if this had a solid pin connector, or hell, maybe if it was using the GMB 27, this iFlight would get much more flight time. But as it stands, I think it's a little held down by that. Maybe we'll do some tests with a bigger battery, but I just wanted this to be a back-to-back flight with a similar size battery, and these are the results. I do want to say one thing about the Flywoo real quick that pissed me off when I bought it. The antenna is wrong. The antenna on this guy was wrong, and I had to cut it down. I had help from Angry Don FPV, who pointed out that the antenna length on this guy was incorrect. It was 25 millimeters when it should have been 31 millimeters, and I couldn't even fly around my freaking house. I mean, it was like 30 feet, and it would fail safe. Whereas the iFlight was totally fine right out of the box. So if you get the FreeSky SPI version, you might have that problem, which sucks. The iFlight was perfect out of the box as far as these things go, but the Baby Nano or the Baby 1S from Flywoo needed some work, so that was unfortunate, but I did want to throw that in there. Anyway, glad I got this video out, and I hope you guys found this useful and informative, and I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. I'm gonna do some flying.